It's the Gradio Show. No, this Grady at Twin Creek Audio back in the studio today to share with you another one of my favorite pieces of gear. Today it's the Sennheiser 421 large diaphragm dynamic microphone. These mics used to be ubiquitous in the broadcast world. I saw this mic in a lot of radio stations. Sometimes the main announcer, the main DJ would have an Electro Voice RE20, and then for guest microphones they'd have a couple of these. Other times you'd see the main DJ using a 421. These things work really well on a lot of different sources. They've got a lot of low end. They don't have a huge amount of sub low end like some of the modern kick drum microphones do, but this will give you a good sound on a kick drum, especially if you're looking for more of a dead 70s kind of sound that doesn't have as much sub lows or sub bass frequencies. This works well for that. I love this mic on toms, especially on a floor tom. It sounds just right on toms. It's a great mic on a guitar amp. A lot of people will use a 421 on one speaker of a 412 cabinet and then a 57 on another speaker and combine those two mics to get a great guitar tone. I've done that myself. It works really well. This mic sounds great on acoustic guitar. It also works really well on a bass amp. So I don't know if you can see that, but this mic has a 4-position roll-off switch that goes from M for music to S for speech. And it's just a really versatile classic microphone, especially mine because it's a little older and it's special to me. I've had it for a long time. And no, you can't have my 421. But let me show you some close-ups of this mic, and then I'll show you some video clips where I've used this so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so I put the 421 on this stand in front of this white door. Since it's black, hopefully it'll show up well enough for you to see it. This is the 421. I mean, these are not uncommon. I'm just doing this to make the video complete. There you can see the head basket, Sennheiser logo, and this funny little clip. That's the little button that unlocks the clip, and then the clip slides out of the microphone. And up here is all the roll-off positions. You can see I have this set to M, and it has a 4-position roll-off that goes all the way to S for speech. I turned it around so you can see the other side, just for the sake of completeness. It's exactly like the other side of the mic. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate the Sennheiser 421 on an acoustic guitar. I've got the mic all set up. I don't have the bass roll-off switch on. It's set to M, which is basically full range. And I've got my Ovation Standard Balladeer model 1861. I've used this guitar in a lot of videos, so you can go back and look at the other videos on my channel for comparison. Kind of aiming the 421 right around the 14th fret of this guitar to get the sound that I like. And let's see what it sounds like now. Next is a clip of a bass demo I did of this beautiful Greco JB380 bass guitar where I used the Sennheiser 421 U5 on a Fender Rumble 40 bass amp with this bass. As an example of what the Sennheiser 421 sounds like on a rock vocal track, I have a song from the Completist debut album, In Some April Dusk. This came out in 2015, and the song is called Uninvited. It's yours truly on the vocal track, and I've got the entire mix of the song, and then I've got an isolated vocal. Now there is some tape delay, which was a plug-in in the DAW. I don't remember which tape plug-in, but there is a tape delay plug-in on this vocal track. But hey, at least I can isolate it for you and let you hear the full mix. And this song, the entire vocal track, was done with my Sennheiser 421 U5.
Every time you try to take me down, accomplish nothing, get in my way. Nothing better than the truth, at least I thought so. You're not invited anymore. You're not invited. Every time you try to take me down, accomplish nothing, get in my way. Nothing better than the truth, at least I thought so. You're not invited anymore. You're not invited.
Well, I hope you found this entertaining and maybe slightly enlightening. This is a classic microphone. It's useful on so many different sources. In fact, if I could only have one mic out of my collection, this would be the one, or at least it would be one of the top 3 in my microphone collection that I would want to have if I just had one microphone. It's useful on guitar, bass amps, drums, on vocals, acoustic guitar. Just a great microphone, very good quality mic. It's a classic. Make sure to check all the links in the description for ways that you can help support this channel, in addition to liking this video and subscribing to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel. And I hope you all have an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one. Thanks so much for watching.